Editing and proofreading your own work can feel like being unable to see the wood for the trees. We're so close to it that any issues feel impossible to see. And this can also lead to the opposite problem, seeing issues even when they don't exist. So first, let's split this task into two parts. The first part is what I'm going to call functional editing. The second is going to be called creative editing. But just to be clear, you don't have to consider yourself a creative person in order to do this. Functional editing first. These are the rules that we follow on word order, grammar, sentence structure, etc. Functional editing is what we might also call proofreading. Firstly, always follow this rule. Precision first, clarity a very close second, and brevity third. We cannot always do all three of these. Sometimes things are complicated and take time to explain and unpack. That's okay. But the main takeaway is never sacrifice precision or clarity in order to be brief. Another tip, limit your sentences to 25 words or less where possible. You will have longer sentences, but this can be a good rule of thumb, particularly for sentences that use a lot of technical or theoretical language. This prevents sentences which overextend and ramble off track. Finally, try not to over-vary your language. It can feel repetitive using the same words over and over, but words and language mean things, and using the synonyms function on crucial words in your argument, such as on the topic in question or those noted in the question itself, can really trip you up in terms of being clear. Then there's creative editing. This includes deciding how we create our argument. So which elements or arguments to remove, the argumentative flow, thinking outside the box, etc. Check your argumentative flow using these questions. Can I summarize this paragraph in a statement without a need to use the conjunction like and or but? If the answer is yes, then great. If it's no, it might either be too long and need dividing. Alternatively, it might instead be too short because you can't summarize what is too short already. Secondly, make sure you include signposting at the start of paragraphs. Signposts are phrases that tell your reader the move that you are making and give you a chance to link back to the question. So, in order to discuss X, we must first discuss Y, or one way in which A works is through B. Finally, link back to the question. State to your reader how this all adds up to help you to answer your question. The main summary notes from this session are now available on the screen for you. Thank you for watching. For further guidance on editing and many other academic skills topics, please do consider watching our longer Skill Builder videos on Moodle.